Hello and welcome Rose Tech Info. Hope you are having a wonderful day. In this video detailing about how to start coding essential tips for first time programmers. So before I start my video, please subscribe my channel. How to start coding essential tips for first time programmers. If you are searching how to code, it might be because you want to advance your career or develop other skills in the computer programming world, and believe me, if you can dive into this world, so you can download now 50 codes templates free is the best. As a HubSpot technicals blog writers, I personally discovered that coding is one of the most valuable skills you can build. Anyone can learn to code with times, dedications, and internet access. If you're reading this, that includes my journey into coding. Thoughts challenging has been one of the most rewarding experiencing of my professional life. I am thrilled to share this insight with you. Table of contents. What is coding? Why learn to code? How to start coding? Coding versus programming. Programming languages. Tips for coding for beginners. Our favorite coding resources. Coding is more than just the code. What is coding? Coding is the process of using programming languages is to give instructions to a computer. These instructions tell the computer how to perform specific tasks. Coding also powers the website, software, and applications your people us every day. Programming language like Python, Java, and C++ provide the syntax and structures needed to write these instructions in the way that computers can understand and execute. Why learn to code? Before you dive into your first lessons, I suggest you consider why you want to code in the first place. In my opinion, I will determine which programming languages you learn first and what sort of projects you want to complete. Plus, you will know what you want to make of your skills. Coding helps build professional skills. In my journey, I see how coding opens doors to numerous opportunities, not just in tech but in various industries. It's a skill that empowers you to create, innovate, and solve problems in a new ways. As technology continues to weave into your daily lives, coding skills will become more designed amongst dedicated coding just job board in indeed.com. Several of the most in domains skills fall under computing. If you're looking to make a career pivot into tags and switch up the most technical rule and think within your field, knowing at least one relevant programming language in a must. That does not just apply to developers. Thoughts web designers should know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript projects. Managers should know the inner working of the tools they help craft. Even if you're not pursuing streaking technical rule coding experience is assess issue technical know how to ability to grasp abstract concept and that you can solve complex problem. Finally, coding knowledge enable you to take a freelance work or a full-time career. Coding can help you earn more. As of 2024, the average entry-level salary in the US in $40,252, but the average starting salary for a programmer in $77,077, which is 78% more. There's no denying in the financial advantages of coding a skill. The tech industry is known for its lucrative salary packages. As someone who transitions into the field, the financial uplift was a significant motivator. I mentioned earlier that there are the difference between coding the program. As you continue to learn about coding, you may start to specialize and become the developers. Many of the coding salaries and up the stability of your skills and specific types of coding. Besides, right support developers also debug software and work in the source mode. Developers usually specialize in a specific programming languages. Developers often earn higher salaries than the programmers and love high project jobs growth. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, job for developers should grow the 17% by 2033. Coding lets you create things. One of the coolest benefits of learning how to code is the ability to bring your ideas to life and share them the words and remembers the thrill of my first successful program. It was a simple task, automations, but it's the feel like magic. Whether you want to monetize your projects, post it to open sources platforms like GitHub, or just make things as a hobby, to have the knowledge and the tools to do so. Projects are essential to the learning and job seeking process. Coding can help you to better understand the world around you. Learning even just the basic of computer programs will see help you understand the components of your growing technology landscape. You gain an entirely new perspective and on a technology in your life and an appreciations for how it all comes together. Coding is fun, is cheesy but true. For me, learning to code is a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Once I had the basic down and started by on my own projects, the process felt less like learning and more like leisures. How to start coding? Thanks to internet, here's the never being the better time to learn coding, but the sheer volumes of options. I stole some new code before the images here to actually more progress. Figure out the way you want to learn to code. It's tempting the jumping right the starting code, but don't have to add goals. You may become frustrated and stop learning before you get to the fun. So before you start studying, I want you to think about why you want to know how to code. Think about the project you want to complete, why the skills excites you, and what resources you have available. I suggest that you start with a smaller, more specific goals. For example, say out want to build a mobile app for a friend who is training for a half marathons on years from now. These goals will help you build the skills you need. Give you a sense of which programs language to start with. Sets deadlines. Set a deadline so you can manage your time and learnings. Choose which coding language you want to learn first. If you're trying to figure out which programming language to start with, I want you to think about your long-term goals. Are you coding for fun or to advance at work? Do you have a flexible timeline, or do you need to finish projects in a hurry? When I was my beginning standard and started was a language was did not use data structures or algorithms. So for me, HTML for CSS were great places to start, but languages like Java and Python are also great for beginners and have a wide range of applications. It can sometimes take some months and learn the programming languages, and so can sometimes of make decisions to make sure that your time is well spent. Take online courses. Learning the code no longer requires the classroom's setting. Today, thousands of online programming courses online. Everything from basics HTML or to data structures of complex algorithms. Your first course and should introduce the basics of language and contains the interactive modules and assignments to guide your learning. For me, courses creates a understand structures of learning, which is essential concept in computer science. Will build on each and others the organized resource Keep everything digestible and ensure your learning things in the correct order. Pupil free course providers include Free.coms, which schools scholars topics. Harvard's achieve acclaimed introductions to computer science course and EDX and CS50 YouTube channel. This option are a great for determining early on whether you are ready to invest the time to learn a particular language. Plenty to paid courses are available for the fractions of what in-person class will cost you. This choice over the wide range of beginners, intermediates, and advanced CS topics. Code Academy, Springs Code, MIT Introductions to Computer Science and Programming using Python. Some paid service offer free course and trial. If you want to get a free feel to their catching before you comment. Watch video tutorial. While online courses are your best trying best for hand and experience, online videos can supplement your learning and satisfy your cholesterol. My personal favorite includes Crash Course Computer Science, the Tom Scott's The Basic. Both cover broader topics in computing. Read book and ebook. Prefer an old school's approaches. Pick up a book on a beginner's language of choice. Book will introduce a fundamental concept and informs your coding. HTML CSS, the beginner's guide to HTML and CSS for marketers. JavaScript Elegant JavaScript or modern introductions to programming. Python's crash courses. C programming absolutes, beginners guide, C++, Premium, and NetCode 3.0 modern cross platform developments. Build applications with C. Java effective Java, PHP, Hit First and PHP and MySQL. Ruby the well grounded robust SQL in the 10 minutes and teach yourself. Swift programming, the big nerds ranks guide. Use tool that makes learning to code easier. While the great know that they don't need any special tools, the right code same tools can help. Code editor. Text editor includes features to make coding easier like colors coding, autocomplete, find and replace, and dark mode. In my experience, my professional use are code editors. This code can help you write and clean code faster. Code editor are like text editor, but they have extra features that help you manage and edit your code like syntax highlighting, code lookup, built-in terminals environments, console. When you start coding, you should learn how to navigate the consoles, also called the terminals. This is the text-based interface for your operating system. The console lets you find file and execute commands on the more quickly, more than standard graphical user interface GUI. Familiarize yourself and how to use, including the basic Unix commands, since you're doing things that aren't possible in the GUI. Project management. Many projects start simple but get more complicated. Use the project cost on using the project management tools. You can share list and start with the program and cons file you like and genius. Courses and excellent resources general and have many programs, the codings and UBLs. Well, the various of the commands and MBT web docs also have many tutorial beginners advanced. Which V3 schools at the tune of tutorials that Abacus programs relativity, code and computers coding also. In my in my editor of coding, this approach to problem solving has changed. Now I tackle technical challenges and how I approach problem and general I hope your experience in same keep doing. You got this. Editor note: this post was originally published in December 2020 and has been updated for comprehensiveness. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next video. Take care. Bye.